Mic check, mic check. Good day to everyone. As part of our celebration for Math Day and Pi Day, we now present one of the most creative highlights of today's event, the Grade 9 and 10 Math Fashion Show. Today, our students will showcase how mathematics is not only just about numbers and formulas inside the classroom, but also about creativity, imagination, and style. So, through these designs, we will witness how mathematical concepts such as patterns, symmetry, geometry, and numbers can be transformed into unique and expressive fashion pieces. So get ready as our contestants bring mathematics to life on their own way. Once again, without further ado, welcome to the Grade 9 and 10 Math Fashion Show! So, to remind us of the criteria for judging for our wonderful event today.
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. So for the criteria for judging, we have the creativity and originality. So we are looking for uniqueness of the concept, which that is 30%. Use of recycled materials. Creativity in transforming ways, that is 25%. Adherence to the theme, mathematics and hope. Integration of math concept. Representation of hope, clarity, and explanation, that is 25%. Overall impact and presentation, which include confidence, neatness, and durability, and visual impact, that is 20% with a total of 100%. Thank you.
Thank you. And now, to officially start our showcase, let us welcome the Grade 9 girls as they present their math-inspired fashion designs. Let us give them a warm round of applause as they take the runway. Once again, let us welcome the Grade 9 girls as they present their math-inspired fashion designs. Take the stage, Grade 9.
A pleasant afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are proud to present our creative and detailed costume, renaming it Ethnomatica. Behind every intricate pattern and structured silhouette of this costume lies a profound mathematical foundation built on symmetry, geometry, and cultural pride. As a grade 9 student of Timbre, we present Ethnomatica, a creation designed to serve as a living bridge between the ancient wisdom of Filipino indigenous groups, especially the Iglot people, and the infinite concept celebrated on National Pi Day. This symbol is a testament to the fact that mathematics is not merely a collection of numbers found in textbooks. It is a vibrant language woven in the fabric of our history, creativity, and tradition. The structural narrative of Ethnomatica begins the foundation of recycled facts, transforming a humble material into a durable, coordinated frame to provide a strength and form. We integrate a background structure and a hood craft from a clay fiber, ensuring geometric integrity. These surfaces were brought to life using the traditional Iglot palette of black, brown, and red gold, applied using leftover paint for our mapping festival activities. This color represents the soil, the bravery, and the golden heritage of the Cordilleras. A standout feature of the gown is the voluminous letter section utilizing recycled plastic gathers into concentric tiers. Mathematically, this demonstrates circular geometry and radial symmetry, where the material is spread from a central axis to create a 3D spiral volume. These layers also represent fractals, patterns that repeat infinitely, mirroring the nature of pi. Complementing these are the competitive triangles, ultimately, Ethnomatica is a proud declaration that Filipino culture as an intelligence is beautiful by repurposing discarded materials to recreate the sacred patterns. Timbre highlights the heritage that is sustainable, meaningful, and mathematical inspired, just as the value concept in the universe. Our Filipino indigenous artists remain a guilty concept in our heart.
We welcome our next contestant from Section D of Grade 9.
Good afternoon, everyone. The question of our representative is about mathematics and rules. Today, I will be explaining the our exciting class. First, the girls' skirt is representing about the math. It has the type and the size that we use in math. The material that we use is called circles. We did it to make that math. We use paper that no longer used. We also use cardboard for the ball, as same as the girls' costume. We use cardboard and paper that no longer used. And for the cake, we use the X-ray and paper for the background. We use magazine, old notebooks, boxes, and colored papers. We choose the colors for their costume because the color blue and white represents peace and gold. For the background, the clock represents the time of gold. And the clock also represents the time of seeking the man. The arrow represents the record of police. That's all. Thank you.
Next participant represents Grade 9 Section F. Let us give her a warm round of applause as she takes the runway.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am the designer of Fashion Family of Mass Fashion Show event. As you can see, the design in our fashion dress is made from recycled material. The dress is made with paper plate. The paper plate is circle, and you know the circle is always have a radius. And the circle is 360-degree angle. And the top of the dress is a half of a paper plate. A half of a circle is look like a protractor. And we know that the protractor is to measure an angle of a triangle. And as you can see, there is a symbol in the middle of the paper plate. Symbols like plus sign, subtract or negative sign, multiplication sign, also sign of tan, cosine, symbol of equation that wrote in the dress is cube root of 27x, and etc. And the staff is made with used cardboard box and used tube. Used tube represent a straight line, and the straight line is half 2 points. Sample, point A and point B. If you connect a point A to point B, you can make a straight line.
Grade 9 Section H. Here comes our next contestant. Please welcome her. Once again, Grade 9 Section H.
The dress is entirely craft from the reused and repair process materials with hundreds of silver paper plates layered to create its stunning textures, silk motifs, every fold and every flap speaks to how in even simple, everyday item transform into something extraordinary. But when we put our
representing grade 9 section J, please welcome our contestant. Once again, grade 9 section J.
Greetings everyone, this is grade 9 Hala Hala. This costume is made from recycled materials such as plastic spoon, plastic rod, and paper. The dress is designed using plastic spoon and plastic pieces to create a unique and creative style. Cloth and paper were also used to complete the design. At the back of the costume, there is a clock which represents the importance of time. Some styles symbolize knowledge and mathematics. This costume shows that even simple recycled materials can be transformed into something beautiful, but also helping protect our environment. That's all. Thank you, everyone.
Up next, representing grade 9 section A. Let us give her a round of applause. Once again, grade 9 section A.
Good day, everyone. My name is Vicky from grade 9 Division. I am one of the designers of the last image to show you today. We use plastic bags, sacks, and paper plates. We made this gown to inspire you, our fellow students, to see the potential of everyday living and to challenge you to create something beautiful and meaningful from it. Because we believe that together we can make a difference and create a more sustainable future. Let this gown be a symbol of hope, a reminder that even the smallest action can add up to make a big impact, and that our creativity and innovation can shape a brighter tomorrow. We hope this inspires you to dream big, think green, and create a ripple of change that will spread far and wide. May our collective effort bloom into a forest of sustainability where every small step leads to a giant leap for a greener world. Thank you.
Grade 9 section B, please welcome our last contestant for the grade 9 girls category.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Crystal Persania and we are representing grade 9 Pila. From race to beauty, the magic of recycled material dress. In a world with growing awareness of the environment, fashion is becoming a powerful platform for change. Recycled materials dresses are not just a trend, but a statement of love for our planet. As they say, raise that, one that. And in recycled fashion, we see the net of creativity and sustainability. We use shackles, cartolina, and paper plates.
Our grade 9 girls for your creativity and confidence on the runway. And yeah, the runway is ready once again for the welcoming of grade 9 girls. Let us give them a warm round of applause. Our first contestant proudly represents grade 9 section B. Let us proudly represent them in a big round of applause.
Pleasant afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are from grade 18 and today we are proud to present our creative and glittering costume. This outfit is based on Filipino tribal warriors consisting in geometrical patterns influenced by Filipino antique clothes, mainly the igorot, designed by our designer, Jewel Rich Casaya. It is a work of art that connects Filipino cultural heritage with the mathematics featuring concepts like trigonometry, symmetry, geometric shapes, fractals, and tessellation. The design composing of a shield-packed accessory sword that together to express our ideals and beliefs. First, for the clothes, we are designing. It's based on the igorot and other Filipino ethnic groups resembling a tribal warrior. It is based the effort ethnic groups do their clothes with even the daily outfit having geometrical patterns. The back accessory is a statement. Daily outfit having geometrical patterns. we want to highlight the cultural heritage of the Philippines that is often too overlooked and modern art. The outfit is made with recycled materials like cardboard, pencils, and licensed painted. With leftover paint mapping art activity. We made this outfit to show the beauty mathematical concept that creates true cultural art and long history. Once again, we are proud to present our creative and detailed costumes.
Up next, proudly representing the A9 Section D. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause. Once again, the A9 Section D.
We use cardboard and paper that's no longer needed. And for the cake, we use the x-rays and papers. For the background, we use magazines, old modules, boxes, and colored paper.
Up next, our next participant represents Grade 9 Section F. Let us give them a round of applause as he takes the runway.
Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, we took the inspiration design from a green paper line outfit. As you can see, we use recycled materials like paper plates, garbage bags, sacks, cardboard boxes, and used fabric. The sign is made from used wood and cardboard, and it represents the half of the tractor. This side of the sign illustrates the zero from 90 degrees of the tractor, and the other side illustrates the 90 to 180 degrees of the tractor. Now, the cake is made of sacks and paper plates. The outside of the cake is filled by the right angles of a triangle, and is numbered from 1 to 103. And the front of the cake illustrates the mathematicians who created the theorem of a triangle. And its main outfit is also made of snack bags and paper plates that also shows shape and lines. That's all. Thank you.
Now, representing Grade 9 Section H, here comes our next contestant. Please welcome them. Once again, Grade 9 Section H.
The person is dressed in a black with a dress cover or packing the side like pieces. Possibly repurposed CDs or metallic paper. They wear a hat with a decorative element. And CDs are attached to their shoulders. Yellow shaped pieces on their pants display key math formulas like A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Pythagorean theorem. E equals M squared. E equals MC squared. Contains mass energies with equivalence. And in their hand, they hold a large block designed to look like a calculator. Behind them, a circular backdrop features image and clock like marking trying into the overall map and measurement done. The scene includes other colorful costumes in the background and a bit of artificial smoke, adding to the festive atmosphere.
Up next, representing Grade 9 Section J. Here comes our next participant. Once again, Grade 9 Section. A round of applause for our Grade 9 boys for their impressive math-inspired fashion design. And now, for the next part of our showcase, we will be seeing our contestants together by section as the grade 9 girls and boys present their designs side by side on the runway. Once again, here comes the grade 9 boys and girls.
We are happy to model our design lane Diplomatica modeled by one and only Camille and our leader. Our goal is to remind the culture, creativity of our indigenous people in this modern generation. And to connect it mathematics in other states and to show people that we are proud to be a Filipino. Once again, let's give them a round of applause!
Kapag bumagsak ang huling patak dito sa sahig, sabay tayong sasabog sa
Representing grade 9 section D. Here come our contestants from grade 9 section D. Please give them a warm round of applause.
The question of our representative is about mathematics at work. Today, I will be explaining the reason why our designs are like that. First, the girl's skirt is representative about the math. It has the size and the size that we use in math. The material we use is reminded that we didn't buy anything to make that costume. We use paper that is no longer used.
Now representing grade 9 section F. Please welcome our participants from grade 9 section F. Next, representing grade 9 section H. Here come our contestants from grade 9 section H. Give them a warm round of applause.
sa'yo ikang bumibig sa damdamin. Sa
Grade 9 section J. Please give them a warm round of applause. Grade 9 section F. Give them a round of applause as they take the stage.
mas malalim na gusto sabihin sa'yo ang mundo sa paligid dahan-dahan na faith para sa iyong nakakaligo. Pag-ibig ang gabi ito. Pagpasok mo pa, pagkili ang gabi sa buwan na
And finally, representing grade 9 section P, please welcome our final participant for the grade 9 category. Grade 9 participants. Grade 10 participants, please prepare yourself. Thank you, grade 9 girls and boys. Grade 9 wonderful presentation. Now, it's time for the grade 10 category. Please welcome our grade 10 girls who are ready to showcase their creativity and confidence as a runway.
straightforward carbon mass comparison by converting counts and masses.
Our next participant resides from grade 10, section B. Please give them a round of applause. Once again, grade 10, section B.
Primary transportation for commuters. Opportunity, experience, and culture. Once again, this is Free Parliament.
Up next, our next participant resides from grade 10, section F. Let us give them a warm round of applause.
Greetings everyone, we are with our lecture within inspired by Buffalo J. Owner, a game of civilization, study and unity among players. Also, players represent the guidance and knowledge of the past, highlighting that there is activity of studying and playing together. The other side of the life is played in the classroom with power of math and the marks on paper, numbers, and part of the game. Making the game instantly recognized. The decorative backpiece showcases artistic patterns and colorful design representing imagination and dynamic nature of the game. The umbrella and wooden hand is in elegance and balance. The other design symbolizes the energy, celebration, and possibility. Overall, the big costume can form the single part in the level artificial expression for the creativity, teamwork, and express upon the one of the to the audience. Once again, this is the Grade 10 South Bar.
Please welcome them with a round of applause.
Teachers and students, are you ready to see a we are ready to present our section. Here you go! The fantastic Eco-Gown is a vibrant yellow and red dress made from recycled materials like plastic bottles, metal cups, paper plates, plastic newspapers, old metal wax, rusted metal, plastic sticks, and old clothes showcasing the creativity. Uses sustainability, the mix of yellow and red represents hope and energy, symbolizing a brighter future through eco-friendly choices. Once again, we are the Great 10. Here we go!
Once again, please welcome our next contestant, proudly representing grade 10 section J.
Welcome to our Ocean Inspired Fashion Show, where math meets sustainability. Our demonstrator is the race showcases how mathematics We choose to create this kind of costume because it shows how everything waste materials can be turned into something creative and useful. These materials are collected, cleaned, and transformed into a fashionable and artistic outfit. This costume proves that dress can become art when we use our imagination.
And yeah, the runner is ready once again for the welcoming of the great vendors who will be showcasing their math-inspired fashion designs. Please welcome our next contestant, representing Great Fan Power.
It is part of how to shape the outfit. This shows when simple materials can be created. Something stylish at little creativity. Di ba panalo sa outfit? Maganda at panalo sa hard face.
Representing Great Balibago. Please welcome the next participant, Great Balibago.
Good day to all of you. Introducing our math fashion representative with confidence, creativity, and striking beauty. From Great Balibago, Francesca Marie, to Reyes. Dressing in eye-catching outfits made from recycled cloth, magazine pages, bottle caps, plastic, and other purpose materials. This ensemble symbolizes and keeps environmental awareness, the power of creativity, and of course, the power of self stands for hope. Just like in mathematics, where every number and formula has a place, every piece of this outfit has proper measures and position. Presenting the outstanding and fascinating outfit, only crafted from recycled materials to show their creativity and originality. To show eco-friendly outfits and artistry. It may seem simple, but it is later transformed into a purposeful masterpiece. Once again, we're proudly presenting from Great Balibago, Francesca Marie Thank you.
and innovation. The development of recycled materials are transformed into a viable masterpiece. The crown constant is intricate patterns of golden circular geometry, likely crafted from painted carbon fibers or recycled cardboard from the focal point of Istanbul. The probability of plastic by taking everyday items like a red plastic accent at the back, potential prop and multiplying your aesthetic value through the memory folding and attachment. This design proof the zero waste can equal infinite elegance.
Please once again give a big round of applause to our guest and girls for their creativity and confidence on the runway. And now, the runway is ready once again as we welcome the great Fender. We offer showcasing their math-inspired fashion design. Please now meet our contestants once again from Great Fender. From Great Old Section Baseball. Let us welcome a warm round of applause as they take the stage.
sa labis Ang sinasabi mo, sinabi ka na rin Lumikot ka pa, lumurong ka sa sasayang gabi Ikaw ang lakas, kung maghahanap Tutulog sa kamay, lahat sumusunod sa nararamdaman Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat
Greatest Section 2. Please welcome our next contestant.
Kapag bumagsak ang huling pagka Dito sa sahig Sabay tayong sasabog Sa tunog ng disco Wala nang tanong Ikaw ay nangyayari
Representing Greater Section Delta, please give them a warm round of applause. Once again, representing Greater Section Delta.
Pagpasok na tayo, hintay ang gabi Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigaw Bawat reflection, tatay-bawat
seconds, we will be seeing our contestants together for our section as the beautiful girls and boys present their designs together. Let us now welcome our participants from each grade level. Let us begin with breakdance section 2. Please have our contestants from breakdance section 2. Section 8. Here now our participants from grade 10 section Riverville. Let us give them a warm round of applause. Section J. Please welcome our participants from grade 10 section J.
Pagbagsak ng di, bumising na ilang di